Our next agenda item is 2B, adopt a proclamation declaring No Tobacco Day in Martin County, Florida.
Whereas May 31st of every year was set aside beginning in 1987 by member states of the World Health Organization to be observed as World No Tobacco Day. And whereas the World No Tobacco Day 2012 will be observed under the theme Tobacco Industry Interference. And whereas tobacco is the second major cause of death in the world and is currently responsible for about 6 million deaths every year, including 440,000 Americans and 32,000 Floridians. And whereas the tobacco industry spends $13 billion each year to recruit over 1 million new teenagers to replace those people who die as a result of their tobacco use, including 24% of high school students in Martin County. And whereas the Tobacco-Free Partnership of Martin County and Students Working Against Tobacco are working to reduce the number of Martin County youth who use tobacco and are exposed to secondhand smoke. Now, therefore, be it proclaimed by the Martin County Board of County Commissioners that May 31st, 2012 is No Tobacco Day in Martin County to help educate the public about the need to protect our youth and citizens from further damage caused by tobacco use and secondhand smoke. Duly adopted this 22nd day of May, 2012.
Move adoption.
Second.
We have a motion and a second. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All those opposed? The motion carries unanimously.
And here to accept, we have Dr. Barry Hummel from Quit Doc Research and Education Foundation.
Congratulations.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Barry Hummel from the Quit Doc Research and Education Foundation, also representing the Tobacco-Free Partnership of Martin County this morning. First, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for recognizing World No Tobacco Day, and more importantly, the work of SWAT, or the Students Working Against Tobacco Clubs in Martin County. And here to say a few words, more importantly than me, I have Megan Koenig, who's the president of the Martin County High School SWAT chapter.
Good morning, Miss. You are recognized.
I would like to start off by thanking you for your continued support on our tobacco policies. Being a high school student, I see other kids my own age making decisions every day, and unfortunately, some huge mistakes. As you probably know, telling a teenager no doesn't really get you anywhere, so that's why we come to you to get somewhere and to make an impact. The policies that have been adopted in the last year or so that I've been involved with Quit Doc have each been a stepping stone to making a grave impact. As time goes on, the policies are enforced, and kids my own age, many of whom are graduating this week, start their lives thinking they have a fresh start, a life to build. And that's what we want. Collectively, we want every single one of my classmates to build a drug-free life for themselves. Habits are made young, so while we're teenagers, it's imperative to try our hardest to help our children, grandchildren, friends, and siblings learn the facts and live their lives above the influence. So once again, thank you for helping us accomplish this.
Thank you.
I just want to end by extending an invitation to all the county commissioners and all the citizens of Martin County to attend our next Tobacco-Free Partnership meeting. It's on May 30th. We're actually going to have our Tobacco Prevention Awards that day. More information is available on the Tobacco-Free Partnership of Martin County website. And thanks again for everything you do for us.
Thank you very much. You too, Doctor.